Hey, do you want to earn tons of money by using just your phone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can earn money by copying and pasting YouTube videos legally. You don't need to have any experience, skills, or have to face the camera. I will also be showing you how you can grow your YouTube Shorts account quickly from start to finish by creating a video on relationship facts. I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure to make 7 times more money in just 60 days. All you have to do is drop a like on this video. So let's begin. So we all know how big of a market relationship facts are. Everyone wants to be in a relationship, everyone has a crush, and everyone who is already in a relationship wants to make it better. So we will be capitalizing on this by making videos on relationship facts and advice. Sure, if you want to make shorts on some other topic that is equally as lucrative, be my guest and drop your ideas in the comments so we all can learn of more ways to market ourselves. To start, find a relationship fact. Go to Google and search for a random relationship fact. This is what you will use to make the video. You can find these on Google Images or on hundreds of random websites that base their content around relationships. Now you have to find the background video. To do this, go to pixabay.com. Pixabay.com is a website that offers free stock photos and royalty-free stock media. It is mostly used for sharing pictures, artwork, vector graphics, video footage, and music under the custom Pixabay license, which typically allows for free usage with limited limitations. Alternatively, you can also use Pexels. Pexels offers high-quality royalty-free stock pictures under the Pexel license. Now, search for the keyword drone. This will bring up very mesmerizing and beautiful imagery that you can put your quotes in front of. Make sure that you click on images and then on videos. Select the one you like the most and download the free video, as these videos are available for commercial use. Search for royalty-free music. This can be done by searching YouTube Audio Library on Google and click on the first link. Click on Search or Filter Library. Next, click on Mood and select Romantic. And then click on Apply, since the video we will be going for will be a relationship fact video. Select any of the music that you like the most. Make sure it's calm and soothing, and nothing with a lot of bass. Next, click on Download and the music audio will begin downloading. Download DaVinci Resolve by going over to their website. DaVinci Resolve is one of the best video editors that are available for free. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Free Download Now. If your computer isn't as powerful, you can always use Canva. Canva is a free video and photo editing software that you can use from the browser of your choice, meaning you won't have to download it at all. So it won't take up a lot of storage or RAM. Now all that's left is for you to make the short. Drag all the assets on the editor and then drag the drone video footage on the editor. Drag the music file down to the timeline. These videos are usually quite long, so you can cut them as you like. Zoom the image to get the perfect angle. Next, add text on the video and ensure that it is written grammatically correct. This is a method to achieve more views. You can also do it on your phone. One of the best video editors on Google Play is InShort Video Editor, but keep in mind that it will leave a logo on the video. Voila! Your video is ready to be uploaded. Now, I'm going to show you how you can make 10 times more money than some of the popular YouTube channels by using simple marketing techniques used by online businesses. Go to Clickbank.com. Clickbank, established in 1998, is a worldwide e-commerce platform and affiliate marketplace. The firm has almost 6 million customers globally, making it the 87th biggest internet retailer in North America. Over 1.5 million affiliate marketers work on this website, and it has plenty of affiliate offers that you can use and advertise under your shorts. This is the real way to make money. Alternatively, you could use some other websites as well if Clickbank isn't available in your country for some reason. Another one that I would prefer is Digistore24.com. It is exactly like Clickbank in that it provides you with affiliate offers. Anyways, once you're on Clickbank, click on Sign Up, enter all the details, and press Enter to make an account. You will come across tons of categories on the marketplace which you can promote to earn money. Click on Self-Help and then on Marriage and Relationships, because remember, the products and services we are marketing should be related to our niche for people to buy it. Remember, you can change this according to the niche you want to pursue. For me, it's relationship advice, so I'm going with this. Sort the results by gravity, which will filter the highest selling results. You will see many offers over here. If you sell just one of this, you can earn a lot of money. All you need to do is click on Promote, then enter your account name, and then click on Generate Hop Links. Copy this link and go to bit.ly.com and make an account. Bitly is a URL shortening service and a link management platform, which means that it will help you keep track of all the clicks, as well as make you money. Paste your link on the bar to shorten the hyperlink. You will get a shortened link this way, and it will help you track traffic as well. The next step is to find the affiliate tools. Go back to the same product on clickbank.com. You can see the affiliate page of the link you copied. Visit the affiliate page, click on Sample Emails, and create a random email to give to the website, because you don't need to give them your actual email. Then you need to click on Get Started Now. After that, click on Emails at the top of the page. You will come across 9 or so emails which you can copy and paste and send out to email lists that you can build. This will sell your product automatically. Go to systeme.io, where you can make the best free funnel that actually works. Systeme.io is basically an online program that assists you in providing information to your consumers. To put it simply, it allows you to create a fully functional website for selling and conducting online courses. It may be utilized to transmit information to an audience by blogs, schools, and most significantly, already running enterprises. All you need to do is to enter your email and get started for free. Next, you need to make an opt-in page. On the main page of Systeme, click on Funnels at the top and click on Create. Name it Relationship Facts, and then click on Build an Audience. You will come across a variety of templates that you can use. Rename the template of your choice as Relationship Facts. Your link would be your name, systeme.io. Click on Edit to copy the call to action you wish to give and paste on the template. You can edit the template as you like. To make the template more romantic, go to pixabay.com or pexels.com and search for Relationship. Select the template you like and download it. After pasting the template on the funnel video, click on Send me the video. After completing all of these steps, go to Redirect option and click on to a custom URL. Paste the bit.ly link on the redirection link option and then click on Save Changes. You can earn $60 easily by sending this to the potential email list. When a person enters their email and clicks on Enter, they would be redirected towards the video. If they purchase it, you'll earn money. The last thing you need to do is to make an email campaign. Go to Systeme and click on Emails and then on Campaigns. Afterward, click on Create to make a new email campaign. Name it as Relationship Facts and save the campaign, and then click on Add an Email and go back to the sample emails. Copy the hook and paste it as a sample text on the subject of the campaign editing option. Now, copy the body of the email, swipe and paste it on the campaign. Make sure to align it to the left and hyperlink the main product with bit.ly link we generated earlier. Save the changes and publish it. When someone will sign up, they would receive the email after 4 or so hours. You can send up to 9 emails to the potential customers. The reason why 99% of individuals haven't begun generating money online is because they haven't identified a niche that interests them. For example, the relationship niche is a really popular topic in which you can earn a lot of money, but there are a lot of other YouTube niches that you can do right now. Just make to do what feels right to you. I taught you how you can get hundreds and thousands of views on YouTube Shorts and TikTok with just a Relationship Facts video. I also showed you how to make a funnel, email sign-up page, and send out emails automatically, which would make you $60 per sale. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other videos on this channel by clicking the link below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.